Hi cutie, Grace here. Today we are going to draw an orange, so let's get started. So first, start by drawing the orange body. A circle down here. And finish the shape for the circle. And now we have a circle. So now I'm going to draw for the orange head. So at the middle here. Draw the leaf. A line outwards. And leaf here. And one more leaf here. Remember to draw the line inside for the leaf. So here will be two eyes with two circles and another small circle. And finally we put a smile inside here. And now we have an orange. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow in with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.